Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find the home screen settings and how we can change the layout of our home screen. So the first thing that we can do is press and hold our finger on an empty space in the home screen. We'll open this menu and then we can tap on the settings over here in the bottom right corner. We will open the home screen settings. Now if you want to, for instance, remove the app drawer and have every app in the home screen, then you can go to the home screen layout and switch to home screen only, and then you can apply it. And now as you can see, I don't have the app drawer. Instead I have everything in the home screen. Let's go back to the settings. Oh, and also you can also go to the settings and tap on home screen over here if you scroll down to open the same settings. Now we can also change the grid. So if you go to home screen grid, then here we can manage the grid. We can have the 4x5 layout, 4x6, 5x5 and 5x6. So if you want to have more icons, then this is how you can do this. Now let's go back. We can also manage the folder grid, so how many icons can be stored in the folder. So we have 3 to 4 and 4x4. And over here as well we can find some more options. So for instance, perhaps you didn't know, but you can rotate the home screen to the landscape mode, so you can enable this option. And then if you go back and if you have the camera rotation enabled, so over here we can rotate the auto rotation of the screen. Now if we rotate our screen, then we should also rotate the home screen. There we go. So this is pretty cool. And yeah, so you can go through these settings one by one on your device, and pretty much here you can adjust the whole home screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.